loves his child, of course. Oh, what a wonderful bond it is. And then time passed. Their love for each other grew over the years, through thick and thin, through joy and sorrows. And then it happened, the thing called love. Romance, love. Because all this is in the world. The desires of the flesh is not from the Father, but is from the world. And then, when he cheats on her, heartbroken, crushed, shattered, broken-hearted, she's depressed, frustrated, lonely, trying to find love in other places. But nothing fills the void. It torments her bitterly. She tries glamour, fashion, giving her pain, forcing her into sickness, anorexia, all for the love of the body. Show me the money. Blinded by fame, by the fortunes, chasing after them blindly, losing her worth, inviting more sorrow. Trying to get out of the low by getting high on drugs, ecstasy, losing control, alcohol, crack, cocaine. She's losing control, totally addicted. And unworthy, empty, suffering. She's made to feel lost, tormented with suffering. Getting crazy thoughts, being provoked, leading to suicide. and she's fallen. She wants to kill herself, tired of life, tormented as she is. Totally kill herself. Useless life that she finds. And then tormented by alcohol, sickness, loneliness, drugs. She just wants to only run. And then Jesus comes. And he heals the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. And he destroys the forces of darkness. And he saves his child. And the story finishes with Jesus.